Hi, I'm Chelsea Harbach, one of the Commercial Ag Extension educators with University of Illinois Extension. I'm here today to help you navigate the registration process and content accession for Cropflix. The following information is for individual registrations, and the registration process for groups is different and explained elsewhere. From the landing page here, you can scroll down to read information about Cropflix, the Virtual Crop Management Conference for 2021. Within that information, you will see this Register Online text. This will be a live link you can click on to take you to the registration. Now, since we are virtual this year, the registration process is different than it would be in a typical year because of the online content. Scroll further down to this block here, where you can see different tabs for topics, presenters, and registering. Before registering, I encourage you to check out our list of topics and presenters. You will see that we have many more topics and presenters than we would for a typical crop management conference. This is one benefit of bringing you virtual content. We have more contributors and topics. Now, under the registration tab, you will find information about accessing the Learn at Illinois Extension platform where Cropflix is housed. To access Cropflix on this Learn at Illinois Extension platform, you will first need to create an account with Learn at Illinois Extension, and you can do so by clicking any of these links. Creating an account for Learn at Illinois Extension is the first step to registering for Cropflix. Start by clicking on Register Online above or on any of these Learn at Illinois Extension links. I will be demonstrating the registration process on a dummy course that we have set up for demonstration purposes, but it will be basically the same for Cropflix. So let's begin. When you click on any of the links for registering that I mentioned from our Cropflix landing page, you will first come to a page that looks just like this. This is where we will start for registration and creating an account for Cropflix. You will need a unique username and password that you will use to log in to Learn at Illinois Extension whenever you want to access the Cropflix content. Since I already have an account, I will be creating a dummy account, and I've been watching Lord of the Rings lately, so I'll say that I am Frodo Baggins. Then, add your email address. Then your first and last name, and your city/town. With these drop-down arrows here, you will see spaces to add your contact information and voluntary demographic information. As it says, this demographic information is voluntary, but we encourage you to fill it out if you are inclined to do so, as it helps us with our program reporting. Then confirm that you're not a robot and click Create My New Account. Almost immediately afterwards, you should find an email in your inbox from Learn at Illinois Extension. Within that email, you will find a link you must click to confirm your account. After clicking the link, you will come to a page that looks like this. It is important to hit Continue here because it will take you to the payment page. Once you pay, you will see Cropflix within your dashboard on Learn at Illinois Extension, but you will not be able to access the content in Cropflix until February 1st. If you have any additional questions, please be sure to contact me and we can help you get things figured out. We look forward to having you along with us on our Cropflix journey.